In this video, I am going to show you how to make a wedding video in Canva. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to your preferred browser, type canva.com, and make sure you're logged in into an account. If you're not, just go and log in into an account or create an account if you don't even have an account. So once you do so, here I'm just going to create my video projects. Of course, you can start from scratch and do everything by your own. Choose your background, add your videos, add your stuff, add your slides and stuff like that. Or you can choose one of the templates that they have. This can help you out. So if you go on this left panel, you'll find search video templates and you can look for wedding. And you have here wedding invitation videos, wedding slideshow videos, wedding video. It's totally up to you to choose whatever you want, what video you're looking to create. Let's say an example, wedding videos. Here, as you can see, you will find a lot of templates here that you can use. Some of them are paid or you'll need a pro plan, and some of them will be free. So, an example like this one, let's say this is the video that you want to create, just a congratulations and something like that. So, of course, this template also has a lot of other templates that you can choose from. So as we said, let's say that this is our video and we're good to go. Of course, you'll be able to edit this congratulations, you'll be able to edit the background, you'll be able to edit everything. So that's about it. That's how you make a video or a wedding video in Canva. If you have any questions, just leave it down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you out.